Can employees opt out of auto-enrolment? The auto-enrolment scheme won't be fully mandatory, and employees will be able to leave in certain circumstances. Everyone will have to stay in for the first 6 months, and this is to give people time to adjust to the scheme before they decide if they want to opt out. The opt-out window is in months 7 and 8, and employees can get a refund of their contributions at this time. However, the employer and state contributions will stay in the employee's pot, so that they'll still build up some savings. The contribution rate will increase by 1.5% in years 4, 7 and 10. And to help anyone who feels they can't afford the new rate, they'll be able to opt out in months 7 and 8 after that rate change. This option will only be available to employees in the first 10 years of the scheme, while the contribution rates are being phased in. Are employees automatically re-enrolled? Employees who opt out or suspend their contributions and still meet the eligibility criteria will be automatically re-enrolled after 2 years. This is to ensure that they can continue saving as easily as possible. They'll have the option to opt out or suspend their contributions again after 6 months. For more information, you can visit our website, gov.ie/auto-enrolment. Here you'll find the latest up-to-date information, further information for employees and employers, and a list of our most frequently asked questions.